outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to share with you all details about this Yaki Kinky straight unit that I got from ISEE hair. So if you're interested, definitely continue watching.
Now, from this packaging, ISEE hair, y'all got the budget, so I'm gonna up my fee for reviewing for y'all. JK. Or am I? Anyways, here's how the wig came packaged, y'all. They have really stepped it up with this packaging. Not only did they step up with the packaging, they stepped up with the actual wig, okay? Pre-plucked hairline, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and top quality hair. Oh my goodness. Not only that, but the lace itself, like the parting space within that lace, oh my goodness. It's the reason why I really would never wear another frontal wig. Look at how huge this lace is. And it's perfect for those who are not interested in frontal wigs like me, but want that same effect. And the unit itself, like this texture is just so beautiful. I had to get my hands on it. I washed the unit and I said, you know what, we're gonna do a silk press. So I'm going in with my Ion styling serum and I'm going to use my Kaposi flat iron. I got both of these items off of Amazon, so I'll link them down below for you all. If you can't find it in your nearest like Sally's or something, you could get it off of Amazon. So here I am just showing you all how I'm going to silk press the unit. A little goes a long way with the serum. I like to just rub the entire product through the hair itself, just so that it's like evenly, you know, coated with it. Some people like to use this before they blow dry. I just like to use it as is, right before I actually flat iron the hair. So here I am. I have the setting on the flat iron at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And I like the highest setting because it really just gets the job done. The higher the heat, I feel like the better the results and the less passes I have to do, because look at that. That is just one pass. That is just one pass. And that's all I'm gonna say. Because look at the results. It looks amazing. And this is how I like my silk presses when it comes down to kinky or Yaki straight hair. I still like just some texture, but just more of a relaxed looking look. And it looks beautiful. Now here we go to the install. Y'all, it took me about 4 days to get to this point to actually installing the wig. So the hair is on the poofier side versus what it was looking like in the previous clips. So yeah, here I am just installing the unit as is. I am going to use just a little bit of this bed head spray. I love using this spray if I can't find my lace holding or melting spray. I like using this stuff because it just works. It works perfectly for what I need it to do, and that's melt that lace and make it disappear. And for final touches, I'm going through the hair with this hot comb just to get rid of any poofiness. As I told y'all, it took about 4 days for me to get to the point of actually installing the unit, and it looks so good. And just to show you guys that you can actually get a deep parting with this unit, I am showing y'all right here. You can't get this with a 5x5. You can't get this with a 13x4, maybe a 13x6, but y'all, it's amazing and it's glueless. You do not need to use glue, but you can still get the frontal effect just without the hassle of having like too much lace to be responsible for. I really and truly love this unit.
And that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have all the details down below in the description so that you guys can check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.